Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you get for listening to this audio. The people in our salon today na Friday, the second day inside May 2025. Again with me, una humble servant Pierre Samura. The people in our salon, as we all been see the police invitation, we been they go viral na the social media, where they invite Dr. Samura Matu Wilson Kamara for the second time on two key issues the way they put na that invitation. They say one, then get video evidences wherein people and they call Samura Kamara in Niyum presence, the president-elect. If in other side no more, then been stop the letter and not for don't comment on this invitation. Because I for don't say not to Dr. Samura Kamara of himself call himself the president-elect. Now his supporters then call him. I not believe say that side he committed the crime. I not believe say police go invite him for that. But the reason why I can't comment on this letter and other accusations, the way I don't they follow now the various WhatsApp groups, the way Samura Kamara and his supporters, then they accuse the APC leadership, the former president Kuruma. That led me for come and comment on this invitation. The area where I pay attention to this police invitation now, where the police say then get a video evidence where Samura Kamara of himself, they call himself the president-elect. At the same time, this same Dr. Samura Nainki address His Excellency the President Gilos Madabio as the president-elect. So if police say they get video evidence, we are in the constitution not permit we forget two presidents at the same time. I believe say not a crime for make Samura Kamara go na police for go respond to that invitation. Man not see and say that na big deal. Yeah, that go for be me first message. My second message again the attack where we don't see the Samura Kamara followers na the media. We all been they support the Samura Kamara, but when we been no say the June 24, 2023 election, President Bio and Samura Kamara don't go meet. They don't initiate something where we call Bintumani for national unity. With the APC and headed by Dr. Samura Kamara, when at the 2023 APC flag bearer and leader, now lead we into that initiative. They were going to Bintumani, go sign that national unity agreement. From there, we go to Bintumani. From there, we go to tripartite. The tripartite recommendation come out when at 80 to 84 recommendation. Everything we come out na that recommendation now for CC then correct the wrongdoings then we been done they happen now with election, especially the 2023. Now this we don't explain to salon people and we get people inside we own APC we go come and cause him mama then say how na pay President Bio pay you or na pay bad because now they know the bad politicians then. How na pay bad politicians then don't pay you for can't talk that one day then go call you say you na bad blogger or you na bad social media commentators. All such of name then go call it say you na agenda 2028. But the truth na say tell me we need for come out and say the truth to we people and because in that 84 recommendation, me no see nothing the way tell we say for pull President Bio for put Samura Kamara neither for can do rerun of fresh election. We only need for come and explain the document to we people and make we people and get courage and hope say other election we go can then vote then go be counted and waiting been don't happen the wrong things that we been done they happen not go repeat itself na any election again. I don't see Samura Kamara supporters then they attack the APC leadership then they attack former President Nkrumah say and then say we are in it's so sad. I believe say if any Salomon or woman for ungrateful to President Nkrumah today, former President Nkrumah, I believe say Samura Kamara in young people now where they behind her. Now then for be the last set of people in a salon and the whole world wait for ungrateful to President Kuruma, former President Kuruma, and former chairman and leader of the All People's Congress, APC, right? But me people, and before I go on with this message, I don't get call from so many of my colleagues then at the media, now the APC, some of them get aspirants, then wait and they support, some of them they call me, make I join the aspirant, make we all support them, then no one let the APC come na power, me left behind, this and that, make I say the record straight now. I'm not there against any aspirant, right? And I want una always in a media today way they come as we say to una self with the aspirant them for this moment. I want make una know say me and una not in the same category. Most of 90%, in fact, una always seen at the media, una not all executive position at the party. Right? And for now, the APC not to me no more na the only district PRO for the party. We na district PRO there, we get with deputies, we get with district chairman, then get a deputy there, we get with regional chairman, then get all executives there with the deputy. I not believe say no one pan then don't come and identify himself saying as so flag bearer, intending flag bearer me they support. So why PRO Samora? Because me they talk na media, me voice they go, why na me for become target? We are in me not dey against nobody, I not cause nobody for somebody, I not talk against person because of in company, but I want make una know say that structure of the party na me they follow. The national chairman of the party, when chairman Mikaelo Masaret say, in go make sure that level playing ground field go there for all the intending flag bearers there. So in as the chairman, we in na the chief executive officer, CEO 001 for the party, in not take side, in deputy not take side. The other executive member, they not take side. They no can publicly can tell we say, make we support this policy, or we see them begin to facilitate from the district, ward level constituency, say, una follow that policy. Why me PRO Samora as district PRO, na me for can take side, say, na this policy with the support. No. The constitution of the APC not permit me for do that. So una stop for accuse me, una stop for think negative about me. It might happen say that person way they support, so na me own choice. It might happen say that person way they call me for, na myself get attacked for support, and because in politics everybody get interest. But in the interest of the party, they make we all the leader we interest their side first, make we follow the bylaws of the party until when that time they reach. Anybody the leadership say make we follow this, we all go follow that person. So make una know say the level of politics we me dey now the leadership me dey with. When the time reach, when the national executive say, Lord, we go so, me get me interest all, but the leadership interest I get for protect that one day, because the Lord Almighty Allah talk say you for respect the leader, if for follow you leader in decision until in time the other person can dey, right? So another against person, me not to enemy with nobody. I dey wish them all well. Whosoever will succeed at the end of the day, make you know say me PRO Samora, it get me 100% support. So let nobody not take and say where you in a media, you don't identify somebody now say you support them, may take and say me not the support that person, or me na enemy, or me na target to that person. No, it get it wrong, and they misinterpret the entire situation wrong, right? Me position at the media. If somebody can lie and the executive, na my responsibility for cancel the record straight. Somebody can say negative against the party, na my responsibility for cancel the record straight. I see somebody can misinform the public, but anybody na the party, me waiting me know say na true, I will come and say that. So now the structure of the party at the falla. If me PRO Samora can come up for say I dey support Cherry Coco, other person self go come away na district PRO himself I dey support Dr. Richard Conte, other person self go come out dey support Sofian Kaloko, other one come out dey support Kaifala Mara. At the end of the day, we don't open space for division at this party. Some of we no want that again. Like how then they go about the movement across the country. So that's not the best way, make them go around, not to selection and delegate them. Even the party leadership tell the delegate then tomorrow say law go. So if the delegate then take and say na the wrong choice, wallahi. Law we all see what happen at the National Delegate Conference. We were then at the media, we all support at the Macaulay in 2023. Now at the Macaulay, we all support. We talk for and go up and down with and do all thing. But when we go McKinney, the delegate then go make their own decision. Then see and say lawyer Lansana Doumbouya na the right choice. then go make the new choice, then vote for Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. And since we Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya occupied our office as National Secretary General, wallahi, we don't no regret that. We all see the development and improvement where they do towards the party. We all see the successful things the way they bring to the party. We all see the good initiatives the way Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya they bring towards the APC. So now so the game they go. The delegates themselves know the right thing. And then no say if you then go decide the wrong choice when the sufferness they will come tomorrow and we all get for suffer and the whole country will suffer. So then aspirants they always come also the delegates then they look then the one that we go be delegate tomorrow. If na myself be delegate tomorrow, all man go look put at the country first. Remember the way we go can make a change, we go unite this, bring this country together, go able bring the APC together, go able for influence the international community, how development for them at the country. So the delegates then self-wise, then know, then don't learn the mistakes. Then this team A where we enter into, and the wrong people who don't identify inside this team A, who don't can see them, don't can initiate my cause for legalizer inside the APC, arrogancy, negligence, molest, VTI. I not believe the delegates then go make them kind of mistakes again. Then go look at the right somebody, then make the right choice, right? Me people in a salon, as police been don't invite Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara day after yesterday, when a day before yesterday, then put two things in that letter when are the key areas. Then one pan the thing where then put in the letter, then say in front of Samura Kamara self people in the call and the president elect. Well, that area they are no one for dive into that at all. I no one for go talk anything about that, because if not to Samura Kamara call is a president and his supporter, then they call and president. Me I take and say now noise no more than they make, because now one president to get now the country, and would another president now His Excellency Dr. Julius Maada Bio occupy State House, not a two State House will get. So if you call somebody president, we not they collect salary, not in the control the police, not in the control the army, not in the control the judiciary, not in the pay people and salary, not in the control the money the way they can at the country. So me that one they know the money me. Now more of Vuvuzela and noise than they make on social media. But the police put one thing at the letter where I pay key attention to. The police say, then get a video evidence where Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara they call himself say in na the president-elect na the June 24, 2023 election. Then say Samura Kamara they address himself as the president-elect. So for that reason, then the police, CID, then they invite na the cyber crime unit for go explain about that video day. Well, me I not see and say the police do bad, because not to Samura Kamara na the only person at the APC where police don't invite, where the cyber crime unit don't invite. The police don't invite so many big folks then at the APC. You look at the National Publicity Secretary when Mr. Sidi Aya Tunis, police don't invite her. He go he explain himself, even though he sleep there. But he come out, they will not accuse nobody na the APC for say, na then they be Sidi Aya Tunis invitation na police or for me police lock and make it sleep there. Now we come to the National Secretary General Lawyer Lansana Doumbouya. When we come out with National Delegate Conference na Makeni for go Freetown, by Hill Station and we see them beat and them pulling Kana and cheering close. We not come and accuse nobody na the APC for saying na this then they be Lansana Doumbouya intimidation for molest and for beat and pulling vehicle na yan. We not accuse nobody, we not cause nobody. We only talk to President BOC, make it talk to insecurity, then say this kind of thing where then they do, they born good picking. That are the only messages they will send. But like waiting Samura Kamara and people and they do for begin put allegation on people like aid and not believe saying that they right it. Right? So we don't see other prominent people in the APC where police don't also invite, then don't go respond to their invitations there. So if the first invitations, police invite Samura Kamara on this same thing, at the end way to hear say a mama sick, he go respond to a mama health condition in no go there. This one again, the second one, then don't invite and they say for make it go respond to this area. Me, I not see say then declare Samura Kamara wanted. I not see and say the police commit crime, or I not see and say Samura Kamara they above the law. I not see and say na big deal for me Samura Kamara go na that police na CID with him lawyers then for go respond to this invitation. For me, I not see and say na big deal. Yeah, so more we look at somebody like Uncle Sankara, when one of the top man of the SLPP. We all see this man, he talk for President Bio, he talk for President, he talk for Fatima Bio, he talk for the Vice President, he talk for SLPP ministers, they talk for the SLPP party, he praise the government. But at the end of the day, Uncle Sankara, when one of the talk man for the SLPP, he been get issue with somebody who are not able to mention that person in name inside the same SLPP. The person go inform, he go summon Uncle Sankara to the CID department, say for cyber bullying or whose crime we commit against him. Cyber unit then be invite Uncle Sankara again when as one of the top man for the same SLPP government we see them. You understand? We no one day see Uncle Sankara come and say, and as also possible President Bio take side or Fatima Bio take side, say no, Uncle Sankara no for go. No, the law is there for everybody. Now this way they talk in our country. When the law they take in court, either it be APC or SLPP, the law for there for every citizen, whosoever will commit the crime, if or face the law. You understand? So if the police they invite other people inside the same SLPP, say they commit social crime, then they go there, then go respond, then come out they back, then they invite other people inside the same APC when are big folks, then they go there, they respond, then come out the if police don't invite Samura Kamara, then say, then get a video evidence where they call itself the president-elect. Me, I not say I'm saying a big deal for say he no go there. He for go there. Law we say police get a working time where they can always put for investigate matters. If police don't invite you today, like law say today when a Friday, then say Saturday tomorrow, then one for see you. At least you not go say where police invite you, you go sit on that Saturday till in the afternoon when I get for go na the station for go respond to police call. No, you get for prepare yourself around the 9 o'clock now. Around the 9 o'clock to then 10 o'clock at least, you for then at that station for go meet that person will invite you na that police department or the CID department or the cyber crime department for go meet that person say yes uncle or auntie I been don't receive the invitation wey una invite me na that make I don dey here to this time here for make I can answer to una call. From that 10 o'clock now to 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, whatever way police get for do with you, then go don't do it with you. If you have for left you back, may go na host, then go don't left you go. If you not to for left you, then go don't tell the illegal luminaries the way na lawyer then say. So because of social evidence is the one all long see, una person, una client, una the lefer. Or if una want for sign undertaking for that, una for can do so thing for law una sign undertaking, una go with and say so time una for can with and back. I not see and saying a big deal. Samura Kamara anti-corruption don't summon you. You understand? Then tell the way the iron one be the situation tense na the country. You not reject for go. The salon people tell you say you for go. Now we been the work out you under rain, under sun. Go na anti-corruption from there till they send the case na court. Now we the under rain, under sun with other salon man and woman. Then go na that court they behind you. Till today where that case they don't left burn, so we don't know waiting come on inside. We don't know waiting at the outcome. But we can understand because we don't go na the Bintuman a peace agreement. Then say all the political case then against the APC people and therefore drop them. Then in a one good initiative, we are happy President Bio abide to that. We know they see none of them case, then they come up again. We want to tell President Bio, thank you for that within government. You understand? The only thing that we will not see happen yet now, we then say we will left the country for return. We are there are so way of safety. The one that we run away from various districts, then for return, we not see some of them thing them facilitated. Even the prisoners, then we don't see some them don't pull there. Of course, then we say some they escape in November, attempted coup when on November 26, 2 years ago, all length in the day, right? So we they advise Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara not to you angry na Salom man. That law way there for other citizens, then the same law there for you. They not declare you wanted for say any silence you, then they grip you for go lock you or direct go na court. Now invite you say this evidence, this video evidence where they get for you. For make it go there, go explain and to them better for make them able understand. The police not do bad, now they work then they do. People go can't curse me, mama, because of this. People go can't accuse me because of this. People go say I hate Samura because of this. But this is not the whole truth. We don't see, don't they happen to other APC people. Then don't they invite other people even out of the APC? Then they go there. Then it's bright then. Then Femi Claudia Skule, Madam Finda Diana Konomani, all them people and police don't they invite them. Then they go respond. They not they deny for Godi. Madam Finda Diana Konomani, when they be invite and say he make video for let the midterm census not go on. Now we are the people away been go escort and then been go arrest Boku Umande with some man there again. Then this will Big Brother way anon Karamo Kabade all they arrest them. You know, by the end, police do the investigation, waiting they do need for do, then do them, they release the people and back. If you not find them fine una, you pay fine the commodity so that you not go do that again. We see they invite Madam Finda Diana Konomani with Femi Claudia Skol go escort her. They end up for old Femi Claudia Skol, then say them be get other case against her will not be respond. So if you God don't make it, don't go there, they not release her. He sleep the at the end of the day, the other day they release her. So the law not there for one person. So if the police don't invite you back, say then get a video evidence, say you they call yourself the next president, we are in Ubin, don't go sign all necessary documents then for let them correct the mistakes then for further future election. Then you they still they come, they bypass words, then we know they can straight may put the word to the people straight. If they use big English then, we are in the gullible population not able to understand what they try for say. You get the social media people we I not go and they provoke them, but I don't know some my understanding idea, then they come and raise them people hope, tell them people and things that we not get for happen. Then they raise tension at the country, you know, it make the country the day time bomb. It put people in life then to risk because we they can't say the reality and the truth. People and they see we now as bad people. People and the malice way because of that. People are not even allowing for them and they host them because of their reasons there. The relationship don't cut off because of them truth there. And waiting we they tell the people and then they see it happen. But waiting you support us then at the media they tell the people it not they happen. Then they tell the people and say then they can inaugurate you, then they can pull President Bio put you, change of government they happen, then they pull date, then they put date then the date then they come and pass. Even this April way pass then say Independent Day, then get for can pull President Bio put Samura Kamara. If police say they don't get an evidence of video where you self they call yourself the president-elect, who knows? Maybe now they tell your people and the media say you not the president as any time they get for can inaugurate you or they get for can swear you in. Samura Kamara, police not declare you wanted. Me advice to you as peaceful citizen, Dr. Samura, please get out of your house and go respond to police requests. Go there with a legal team. You go explain yourself. You're not peaceful citizen and you're not prominent stakeholders in the country. Go there and explain yourself. Then he left to the police the own description. He can go back na your house or then say so evidence. We know they left you. He get lawyers then we can do the next process. Then do undertaking. Whatever they tell you, if in a house plan say for left for let you go na house until then do the police done with the investigation, then can do and back you go. Not a big crime. After police done with the investigation, if they not find anything wanting towards you, then can forget about it back you go about the business. This na my own peaceful advice to you, Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara. Not to you police begin invited, not to pay you get for start. It been done happen to other people yesterday. Today now you know tomorrow without them get for invite. Police get the right for invite me say P.R.O. Samura Naya. Me na executive member na the APC. If I commit crime, police no get for make a secrecy. Or if the police suspect me for something way not good, way not go born good picking in the interest of the country, they not get for keep a secrecy. Then get for write letter. If they're not even able to get access to me, but then sabi the party executive, national executive, then go submit them to them, and then go send them back na the media where myself go see for say police don't call me for so reason for make I go explain myself. Me na Sierra Leone, I can go there respond. If me one no one go this self, I can put them to the attention of the party leadership. They can call on the party lawyers. Then they all come out. They escort me there. Whatever way for happen, the party leadership go do the necessary things. Then if you for free me, then free me. If either are guilty or not, police can look back the investigation. They release me. I go. It happen to everybody. So Samura Kamara, this not out of malice. And all one lay supporter then can't cause me because of this hard fact. I want make it come out na house. go respond to police call. Right? My second one, as we see there's so much disrespect on former President Kuruma, where people and they disrespect. Somebody called me then this me, in they see me, the way me they defend Ernest Kuruma, say Ernest Kuruma na me own person. No matter waiting people and talk, me no get for agree on Ernest Kuruma. Say Ernest Kuruma fed Samura Kamara for me not be president. I just tell the persons, I say, thank you, I don't listen to what you say. I respect your opinion. I not go disrespect your opinion, but that's not your opinion. But waiting me know, waiting me sabi, I believe say waiting somebody for do na life. If you don't born a picking, if first thing way you for do as parent, now for maintain that picking one, the nurse then go tell you say let not allow it in 8 point. For maintain that doll baby till you making 8 fine for learn body strong. After the then go tell you say for give Bobby water for 6 months or 1 year plus. No get rest, no get hot water. The nurse then go advise you for that. Till to the time where the picking for Sidon, then go tell you for lay lana for Sidon. We don't Sidon, then go tell you, then go tell una for lana for grip. We don't sabi grip, then go tell una for lana for waka. We don't waka. The balance now he left to you, the papa and the mama now. Now una two go agree for pull and Bobby. Now na your secret that one day inside room where nobody no get for day. When una don't pull and Bobby, time go reach this, una agree on between una two government no they know that person no they for let una put that picking school. That picking go begin go school. Now una responsibility for support that picking, make it learn book, make it know waiting good and waiting not good. Una teacher. If in the Christianity side, una teach about the Christianity religion. If in the Muslim side, una the parents, then una responsibility for teach that picking the Islamic religion, make it sabi read and write the Islam. Even if you not sabi write and let you know how for read, how for pray in self, how for read certain at this then, the day we go die, we go there at the grave, waiting the angel, then go ask and make you able respond to them questions, then they now una the parent the responsibility for so una picking them that. And I believe say Ernest Kuruma, as the former president and chairman and leader of the All People's Congress at in your time, what you need for do for Dr. Samura Kamara, he do am. First of all, nobody no be sabi Samura Kamara. Because of the belief and confidence we get in Samura Kamara, he and the National Advisory Committee then come together, then get the responsibility for now Samura Kamara and Cherry Coco. He do this, he not jump that decision. He will learn to them and they ace them up. He go with them across the country, the 16 political district. He saw the people of Salon say, who that believe say I do good work for the country, una vote for them 2 people and I don't give una. He do that. He sponsor them. If na money, if na material, if na anything we go make political party lost election, the APC no for don lost election in 2018. And Kuruma make sure he do that for Samura Kamara and Cherno Ramadan Majuba in 2018. Since that again, Samura Kamara play young party been they move, they go Pandembe area, they go na them mocks, but nobody no go tell me say he they pull any campaign message where Samura Kamara pull against the SLPP, where go move Salon people and where go buy Salon people and attention for say let them vote for them. The people of Salon decide for vote, then say because Madabio in government, they kill people, they marginalize people, they intimidate people, prices then they go up, the economic hardship. Now the reason then they make people and go vote for Samura Kamara, and people and know they able come to conclusion say the APC government they work more than the SLPP. When the APC they in governance, unity, peace, development they in the country, the people decide on their own. They rate the 2 parties, then they know say the APC is the best choice. So the people then go out and cast them vote for the APC. And so Ernest Kuruma again as former president, chairman, and leader at Union time, till the court go pull the executive, but yes, still he stand with Samura Kamara, he support him financially, morally, he tell the entire leadership of the party, say, no, we all support this man, make it go in second term. Nobody not jumping decision, including me. We all support Samura Kamara. We go cast, we vote them for Anna McKinney. Una all know that. Ernest Kuruma not stop there. People have been the way Ernest Kuruma pull over $1 million cash way give Samura Kamara as CEO support towards the campaign. People in the way get evidence of that, including myself. The day will go elect Samura Kamara as a flag bearer and leader. They do clear Ernest Kuruma pull $600,000 cash again. So me, I think say waiting an Nkrumah for do for Samura Kamara. Now he don't do so. When he camp and the election business, when the international community they cannot to Ernest Nkrumah then they talk to, now Samura Kamara then they talk to, because now the people then they go vote for. When they say for do any peace undertaking for say for sign this document, we all see waiting may happen at Bintumani or I don't know Usai. We all see when the international community come, they say for let the election become free and fair, peaceful and credible. Who that then call? Now Samura Kamara and President Biona then to go sign them document. People and get them photo, they are going for them pull them back. Not to Ernest Nkrumah then call it. Not to former President Nkrumah then call. Not to Chairman Mikhail Masari then call. Even where Madabio no say, he want let peace then at the country, not to the APC executive target. Now Samura Kamara target because he knows he get the final decision. If he say no, no. If he say yes, yes. Because now people and go vote for. In your supporters, the way they be and now go vote for. Himself in your SLPP supporters, the 9 President Bio they go vote for. So if President Bio say yes, yes. If he say no, no. When Samura Kamara self say yes, yes. When he say no, no. So when President Bio and Samura Kamara then to go meet up now on disclosed place, they agree say, look, go Bintumani. Now from there, then contact the Commonwealth Secretariat. ECOWAS Kaisai, Africa Union, Europa Union, America, British High Commissioner, other ambassadors from other countries there. Other diplomatic missions, they all kinds of we go Bintumani. Would have been the lead the party, the APC, na Bintumani, na Samura Kamara, because na in na the APC flag bearer, a leader of the party, na irresponsible for bring the party na power or not for bring the party na power. Now that make when he say yes, na yes. When he say no, na no. Where President Bio the SLPP, in na the president and in na the leader of the SLPP. When he say yes, na yes. When he say no, na no. Nobody no get that power for jump President Bio in decision. Without the presidency, but in position as leader na the party, nobody no dey jump in decision. The chairman, he dey under until in leadership time expire. Right? So for let me see people and we still say them believe in Samura Kamara say he go be president. Then they curse Ernest Nkrumah, they accuse Ernest Nkrumah, they blackmail Ernest Nkrumah, they defamate Ernest Nkrumah in character, because the national executive of the party last say then your name don't become chingom na the mot. Una don't cause Cherno Ramadan Majubate in your name, we not remember in name again, because in your name, oh yeri and I know they become surprised to we. Una don't cause the APC executive talk all kind thing about them. That one day the name any say we read the name them bad now, we not the surprise because we know say we not used to. But Ernest Nkrumah now una don't come for them pan. Where this Ernest Nkrumah no, you know eat, you know digging, you know smoke today. Una one make in check. How Ernest Nkrumah connect? How former President Nkrumah connect? When Samura Kamara and President Biobin they go agree, he be inform Ernest Nkrumah. Now we then to go agree. So let President Nkrumah say no to that. Any problem we for done at the country, then go say that the former president and bring that one at that country. The one way now the flag bearer and leader of him party been don't accept for peace. Now in go say no. When them go put the respect to and I say no. We are in if the party can have power, Samura Kamara with his family now then go become the highest beneficiary in the people. When Ernest Nkrumah will become president, in are the highest beneficiary in the APC. Now in get the power for hire, now in get the power for fire. Nobody know the question for that. How many people away President Bio don't hire, make them minister, shack them back? Who that the questioner? Who say they go complainer? Now in the highest beneficiary, whatever I decide today, until your time done, nobody know the question that in decision. So why una for look at Samura Kamara and mistakes in your failures then today, una they always defense side for cast them blame and them mistakes then to other people will not get right for make them decision then they. Una make we afraid hacke. Una make we afraid sin. And I believe say, if any shallow man and woman, both home and the diaspora, for ungrateful to President Nkrumah, former President Nkrumah today, I believe say Samura Kamara in and in supporters there. Now una for be the last set of group now the whole salo for talk negative but former President Nkrumah. This is the whole truth. Hey, why they are so not an Eskroma, they feed me. An Eskroma me and I no get communication. From where an Eskroma left salon. If I see her in a video self, now the tell where the way the APC executive go visit and Nigeria, where that video them in the viral na social media. Right? I no get no direct benefit what they get from an Eskroma at this time. But we the fear the day where we go now with grief. Lord, we afraid hake. Make we afraid hake. And Eskroma don't do nothing wrong to Samura Kamara. And Eskroma do not bad to Samura Kamara. And Eskroma no initiate nothing way make Samura Kamara not become president today. And Eskroma no do nothing wrong way make Samura Kamara not become president today. Una left. Una way still believe in Samura Kamara, they be in Samura Kamara. Nobody no get problem with una. If una they support Samura na una right. The one the way they support the other people and na their own right. If una they support Samura Kamara for maybe president, he left to una usa una mass. If una get una mission still for continue for full people, because me no say na they will get for end. For long una continue for only people to ration, Samura Kamara they tell the people and say the election not do it until it done. Independent fact, we know they see on a radio, we know they see on a TV, we know they see and go ECOWAS, we know they see and go Africa, we know they see and go na any court of law across the country and out of the country. But he say independent fact for in power. In which way? Salom people and make we sit down and ask ourselves, in which way somebody they fed for power, forget her. He say electoral justice. In which way they fed electoral justice? Una way they be in Samura Kamara. This na my question to una. For sit down na us, for go they tweet, for go they pull audio, for go they make video. Now that way they fight electoral justice. We don't dey at 98.1, they don't accuse Samura Kamara, AYV, SLBC, Liberty Online TV, and other TV stations then. They say they don't invite Samura Kamara in several times for me go na the stations then for go explain to them how they go about this electoral justice. They say Samura Kamara not respond. Una still believe in this man. The man say the faith not do it. Una no go sit down and ask this man how he dey pan this faith. Who say you don't start this faith and who say he dey with this faith now? How many months so now? Next month, President Bio dey complete 2 years in office. He dey complete 2 years as president in office next month. Till they May 2nd. Next month na June. Una no go sit down and ask Samura Kamara how he dey pan this faith. Whose organization na the world where they pan help pan this faith? Whose institution na the world they pan help pan this faith? Who side them don't come out with this faith and who side they now? May update una who side they pan this faith? Rather than the only people into hostage at the time minute, una one can't tell una supporters and the gullible population now the country say because of the APC leadership not join and pan the faith, now that make it not succeed pan the faith. So the party where una the form make the people and go vote for that party. This na in now una mission, but una be careful. How many third force the way don't cancel? Charles Magai na one of the popular somebody who be the thing saying a third force way for can pull the SLPP and the APC. Who say end? Not to APC end up for join. Now we can to KKY. KKY now one of the strongest somebody will be the thing say he popular more than any other candidate for the APC and the SLPP. He left the SLPP because of in connection we get na the international community. He go form his own party. Who say KKY end today? Not to the same SLPP don't go. We brother Sam Sumana, when the Shaka as vice president and expel at the APC. He lost the case na Salo, he go ECOWAS, he win according to Weta Yeri. He win the case na ECOWAS court. Right? Other people away agree, then can they stand by and go form in your party when na C4C. At the end, Amos even campaign the election, na 40 cannot even third. Who say no more he get vote? Now in district, na Kono district, now they get 8 MPs there. They get councillors there. Both district and city council. Across the country, then they call for a 0-0 with all in popularity as vice president for 8 good years plus. You don't do follow we learn lesson now say if you dey SLPP, only SLPP fine. If you na APC dey, only APC fine. No allow somebody mislead you for go regret the action tomorrow. Because then we brother there, electoral justice, third force, NGC, that Ibrahim Fofana day and we know saying your mission now for see say he pull APC. But he don't try from NGC, who say he end up. Na scatter and KKY scatter pambad. So I want to talk to Unami APC people and other Salomon and Umande. This the so-called third force. If una go join them, I swear to me, Allah the worship, to me 5 daily prayer, and I regret una get for end up. Una go sit down tomorrow. Make we pray for well body and long life. Una go say Piaro Samura Toka. The incite you against SLPP you left, you get for regret the actions. If you left the SLPP can APC, it go better for you. If you left the APC go SLPP, it go better for you. But for say you go can form a third force for eradicate the SLPP and APC na salo. For now, I not say tomorrow, but this we young generation, I want for tell you say they deceive yourself. Trust me, wallahi billahi talahi, they deceive yourself. Una check how many people don't try. Then succeed. Who say they end up for go now for return back to them party then, or they left that party, go back na the APC. Charles Magai na APC end. Now we look at Mohamed Kamarimba Masari. He can be 4 million party. Who say Mohamed Kamarimba end? Not to APC end up for can declare for na the runoff. Me people una sidon and wise. A word for a wise is quiet sufficient. This na me message. Uno listen and feel free for share. Please patient and share this message for the benefit of others. Me will bring this message to Unu. Me na Piaro Samura, Falaba District Publicity Secretary, All People's Congress APC. Patient and share this message for others people and for make them listen and learn.